Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix Telegram files folder not showing on Android. And here's how it is done. Update Telegram. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Telegram and check for any available updates. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Open Telegram and clear cache. After updating, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Tap on the menu, three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Go to Settings, Data and Storage, Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary data, which can help resolve folder visibility issues. Go to Settings on your Android device. Navigate to Apps, Telegram, Permissions. Make sure you allow all necessary permissions such as storage to access and save files, microphone, location, and other multimedia related permissions. These permissions are crucial for Telegram to access and display your files and folders properly. After performing these steps, you should be able to view Telegram files and folders. If the issue persists, you can try reinstalling the app or checking whether your device file system is working correctly. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix Telegram files folder not showing on Android.